Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a Linktree to TikTok even if you don't have a business account. So make sure you stick to the end of the video so that I will guide you step by step. And let's get right into the video. First, you need to open your Linktree app and make sure you are logged in into your account as always. When you are in the app, simply click on your URL that is on the top right corner. Once you click it, a pop-up will appear saying link copied. Once you get that confirmation, simply close the Linktree app and open your TikTok app and go to your profile section and simply click on add bio or edit. When you are in this interface, you can simply add your bio here by clicking here and simply paste the URL link right here. As you can see, I have already pasted it on my bio. If you want a clickable link, you will need to switch to business account, but for now adding it to your bio works just fine as well. And that's it guys. Now your Linktree is visible on TikTok without a business account. If this video helped you out, to like, share and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.